ready to rumble? I am! Welcome to one of the best and one of the greatest fights of all time. Our first of the 10, many thanks to the creators of Massive Monster Mayhem. For this episode, we're drawing one of the best monster superstars from the game show Massive Monster Mayhem. And tonight we're gonna draw the king of the monsters himself. The one that bends the entire universe to his will. His name is Master Mayhem. Straight from the planet Not Telling Ya. Is that even a real planet? All we know about him is that he lives in a space condo. His goal is to rule everything. He has a legion of monsters that follow his every command. There's Robro, Teensy the Triceratops, Macho Cheese, I, Dome Diddy Dome, Major Disappointment, and Meowch. After it first debuted its season finale, I've been asking God to create another season for show Massive Monster Mayhem. There he is. Here's his arms. One thing about Massive Monster Mayhem, it debuts in space. Another thing about Massive Monster Mayhem is that this guy, he has a special laser sword. There we are. There's his arm. Here's his cape. One thing about this guy, he has a lot of stuff that's sweeping the nation. But, oh, words of content, oh, words of content. Alright, there's no reason for me to say that. Alright, there he is. That is how you draw Master Mayhem. Future ruler of the entire cosmos. Step up to the challenge, because it's us against them. Look out, universe. It's Massive Monster Mayhem. Alright. Anyway, this is for, don't worry guys, I'm gonna draw more Massive Monster Mayhem stuff soon. Until next time, Massive Monster Mayhem!